Most people think Amazon FBA is an easy way to make money online. But behind the success stories, there are realities many beginners don't hear about. Before investing time and money, it's important to understand the hidden side of the business. Amazon FBA or Fulfillment by Amazon allows sellers to run an online business without handling packaging, shipping, or customer service. It sounds convenient and it can be, but there are challenges that affect profit and long-term sustainability. Here are 6 truths that often go unnoticed. Ugly truth number 1: hidden costs. Amazon FBA is marketed as affordable, but several costs are not obvious at the start. You have storage fees, fulfillment charges, shipping and prep cost, long-term storage penalties, advertising expenses, returns and refunds. A product that looks profitable on paper can lose most of its margin after these deductions. Ugly truth number 2: high competition and saturation. There was a time when simply listing a product was enough. Today, almost every profitable niche is crowded. Thousands of sellers list similar products. Established brands dominate research results. Price drops are common. Copycat listings appear quickly. To stand out, sellers need branding, review, high-quality image, and marketing, none of which happen instantly or cheaply. Ugly truth number 3: account suspension risks. Amazon enforces strict policies and accounts can be suspended without warning. Common triggers include customer complaints, high return rates, policy violations, documentation issues, product quality concern. When suspension happens, funds can be frozen and inventory access becomes complicated. Reinstatement is not guaranteed. Ugly truth number 4: Amazon competes with sellers. Many don't realize that Amazon may enter the same market as its third-party sellers. Here's what often happens. A product gains traction, Amazon identifies the demand. The same product appears under an Amazon-controlled brand. Their version gets priority visibility and lower fees. Competing with the platform itself is difficult and discouraging. Ugly truth number 5: long research and launch time. Finding and launching a successful product is not a quick task. Sellers go through market research, keyword analysis, supplier communication, sampling and testing, branding and packaging, shipping and listing setup. Even after launch, ranking takes time. Reviews must build, ads must run, and competitors often copy the listing. Ugly truth number 6: low profit margins for beginners. Many new sellers expect fast income, but the early phase is rarely profitable. Advertising consumes most of the initial revenue. Price competition reduces margins. Returns and damaged goods create losses. Only a small percentage of beginners see meaningful profit during the first few months. Amazon FBA is not a scam and it's not impossible. It's simply not the shortcut many assume it is. The model works for people who have a realistic budget, do proper research, understand the branding and logistics, are ready to handle setbacks, treat it like a real business. Before starting an Amazon FBA journey, knowing the complete picture helps avoid disappointment and financial loss. Success requires strategy, consistency, and patience, not just enthusiasm. For more honest insights into online business, stay connected and explore upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.